Today, we are going to walk through the installation process for the LED Concepts Colormorph Wheel Ring Kit. Begin by removing your vehicle's wheel. This will expose your rotor and caliper. Behind your rotor is a brake dust shield. This is a fixed part that does not move and is what your Colormorph wheel rings will be mounted to. The wheel rings will be mounted to the brake dust shield using the included L-shaped mounting brackets. You will need to make 3 evenly spaced marks on the wheel ring where the brackets will mount to the dust cover. Use a 4mm drill bit and drill into the 3 marks that were previously made on the wheel rings. After drilling your holes, use the included bolts and locking nuts to tightly fasten all of the mounting brackets to the wheel ring. Mock your ring back up around your rotors with the mounting brackets attached. Now, mark 3 spots on your dust shield in relation to where the mounting brackets will ultimately be set. Remove the wheel ring and drill holes into the dust shield where you have made your 3 marks. After drilling holes into your dust shield, mock your wheel ring back up over your rotors and mark spots on each mounting bracket by going through the holes you drilled on the dust shield. Next, remove the wheel ring from the vehicle and drill holes through the mounting brackets in the spots that you marked. You will then place the ring back over the rotors and use the included self-tapping screws to secure the wheel ring to the dust shield by going through the mounting bracket holes. It is recommended to tighten by hand, as you should have aligned the holes drilled in both the dust shield and mounting bracket. Now, your wheel light ring should be securely fastened to the brake dust cover. With the wires oriented at the top of the wheel ring, you can use zip ties to run your wiring with the vehicle's brake lines to the Colormorph controller. Keep in mind that the vehicle's suspension will flex, so be sure to leave some slack in the line. Failure to do so may damage the product. Now that you know how to install our Colormorph wheel ring kit, it's your time to start standing out with LED Concepts. Our wheel ring kits are available online at ledconceptslighting.com or through any of our authorized retailers. And like we always say, life's better custom.